Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hi everybody, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. We're out here in Shiloh Gardens neighborhood in Dayton. This customer actually inherited this house and he wanted to get some work done. That way when he resold it, everything was in good working order. So he went ahead and replaced, I think, every window but one in the house. This is one of the ones he replaced right behind me. It's a 3 Lite Slider. On these 3 Lite Sliders, we typically do the aluminum frame versus the flex screen that you've seen in some of the other videos because it just seems to fit and work better. But you can, once again, you can see the guys did an awesome job on the exterior capping. And I think they installed this job maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago from the time we're shooting this video. So let me go ahead and walk inside and then we'll go take a look at one of the bedroom windows that they did from the inside. So come on. All right, I'm gonna actually go ahead to this 3 Lite Slider that we just looked out from outside. And just to show everybody, these windows are actually from a different manufacturer than Provia. The price point on these windows is a little bit suited for investors and property owners that have a lot of rental properties. But they still come with the lifetime warranty, glass breakage warranty, and these windows do have low-E and argon. The only difference is instead of triple pane from Provia, it's a double pane window, but you can still see how easy this slides back and forth. It's a great window. Double locks on all the sliders. And then I want to go ahead and go back to one of the bedrooms as well to show you what those look like. There's just 2 Lite Sliders back here. Also on these windows, they still do have the restriction latch down at the bottom. So you can open them up to just get a breeze coming in. And push it back in and boom, opens right up. Now these windows do not come with a full screen as a standard. They're just the half screen and they're aluminum extruded frame. But you've seen how easy that was. I mean, if you want to open up the other side of the window, you can do that just as well. Actually on 2 Lite Sliders, we can actually reverse to where the left sash is closer to the inside. And it just depends on the orientation in the house and how you're most likely going to be using it. And that's something that we go over when we're in the home giving the estimate, just to make sure if the customers say they don't care which way it works, the right side from the inside looking out is always going to be your active side. More active side, I should say. So, but quick and easy on this one. These are what we call our Investor Series window. It is a mid-grade window. It's just price pointed for the investors and property managers who are getting windows in the properties. That way they're not buying the triple pane because we all know investors like to keep their costs low. So once again, everybody, thanks for joining me on this episode of The Customer's House. Peace out, everybody.